Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I cover up my acne marks with the help of makeup. Now I have extremely acne prone skin and my skin keeps breaking out all the time, and when the acne goes away it leaves these marks on my skin which is so annoying because acne to chalo 2-4 दिन में चला जाता है, but the marks remain on my skin for weeks together and it's so time consuming to remove them. So to deal with my acne marks I've been following these two solutions. The first one involves the use of skincare products, and it's more like a permanent solution to deal with your acne marks and to get rid of them completely, like forever. And the second one is like a temporary solution, and it involves the use of makeup products to hide those acne marks temporarily, like especially if you have special occasions coming up like your birthday, your friend's birthday, a shadi, a party, a festival or whatever. You can just use the makeup techniques that I'm going to show you in this video, hide those acne marks and flaunt your flawless skin. So let me talk about the skincare part first because it's more like a permanent solution to deal with your acne marks. The one ingredient that is most effective in dealing with acne marks is niacinamide, and I've been using this Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum for months now. I cleared up all of my acne marks earlier this year during the lockdown period with the help of this product only. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and I actually washed my face before I started filming this video, and I use this Dermaco AHA BHA foaming cleanser to do that. This is very gentle on the skin and it's suitable for all skin types including acne prone skin. So let me just zoom you guys in to show you my skin. So as you can see, I have very few acne marks on my skin, but I do have them. So I'm just going to apply this product all over my face, and don't worry, I'm not touching the dropper on my skin. I'm just patting the serum into my skin, mainly focusing it on my cheeks wherein I have maximum acne marks. So all Dermaco products are designed, they are tested and they are recommended by dermatologists, which makes them very safe and effective to use. And Dermaco always discloses the percentage of actives in their products. Like the serum contains 10% of niacinamide as mentioned on the package. Unlike most other brands in the market which are not really honest about the percentage of active ingredients that they put in their products. And also Dermaco promotes and believes that we're the best versions of ourselves, and we shouldn't really hide our skin under filters or under makeup, and we should love the skin that we are born with, and we should constantly pamper and improve our skin so that we fall in love with our natural skin. So that's the reason why they have so many products with active ingredients that actually make your skin so much better. So I've applied the serum all over my skin, and now it's time to apply some moisturizer. And for that I'm using this Dermaco Squalene Plus Zinc Oil Free Moisturizer. Again, this one is recommended by dermats. It's suitable for sensitive skin, for acne prone skin, and also for oily skin since it's an oil free moisturizer. So I'm just applying this all over my face, and then again, wherever you have acne marks you want to apply a generous amount of it because we're going to be layering up a few products, so you don't want your makeup to look patchy or dry. So that's all about the skincare steps. Make sure that you follow these steps like every single day to get rid of those acne marks completely forever. Now moving on to the makeup part, I'm using a concealer. This one's by PAC. It's their Take Cover Concealer in the shade Skinny Dip, and this one matches my skin tone perfectly. Make sure that you use a concealer that is exactly your skin tone, otherwise this step is not going to work. So I'm just applying it on the areas wherein I have acne marks. And then I'm just using a beauty blender to blend it out. So let me just zoom you guys in to show you how much it covered my acne marks. As you can see, most of my acne marks have been covered. I just have tiny little marks peeking through, but don't worry, we're going to cover that as well. Now the next step is to use a foundation, and again you want to ensure that it matches your skin tone completely perfectly. The one that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. It's the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. Blending it using the same beauty blender. So right after following just these two steps, my acne marks have been covered up completely. Let me just zoom you guys in. So as you can see, my skin looks pretty flawless and you can't really see the marks peeking through my makeup. So that is how effective this technique is in covering all of your acne marks, and you want to ensure that the foundation and the concealer both match your skin tone perfectly. If the concealer is like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, then it's just gonna act as a highlighting concealer, and when you apply it like on your acne marks, it's gonna highlight those acne marks, and that's just gonna reverse the entire purpose because it's gonna highlight your acne marks instead of covering them. So make sure your concealer matches your skin tone perfectly. Now the third step is to use a concealer that is 1 or maximum 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, which will act as a highlighting concealer for you. And I'm using this one by Sugar. It's the Magic Wand concealer. I'm only gonna use this one to hide my dark circles. My base is all done, and to set it in place, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade 20 light medium, and I'm using a fluffy brush to use it. I'm completely done with my base makeup and I love how flawless my skin looks. I'm just going to give you a quick close-up. So as you can see, my skin looks really natural. It doesn't really look like I have a lot of products layered on. So this technique of using a concealer first and then a foundation and ensuring that both of them match your skin tone is the key to cover up those acne marks completely and making your skin look all natural at the same time. No one's gonna be able to tell that you have a lot of makeup on, that you have a lot of base product on, or that you have any acne marks on your skin. This technique is the key to flawless looking skin. So I'm just going to complete the rest of my face makeup and get back to you. So I'm back with the full face of glam makeup, and it took me about an hour and a half to get this makeup done. I'm wearing a blush, bronzer, highlighter, everything on top of my base, and still my base looks so good and so flawless. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look patchy, and you cannot really see any kind of acne marks peeking through my makeup. Let me just give you another close-up. So that is how effective this technique is in covering up all of your acne marks, and makeup is just a temporary solution that you can use to hide your acne marks, but in the long run I do recommend that you start using a skincare solution to get rid of those acne marks permanently forever. This 10% niacinamide serum from Derma Co has really been helping me in getting rid of all of my acne marks and clearing up my skin. So I highly recommend you check this out, and in case if you want to grab this on an amazing discount, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA20, on Derma Co's website and get a flat 20% off on this. This helps to clear out acne marks, it helps to control excessive sebum production on your skin, it helps with the appearance of large open pores, and it also helps to prevent acne on your skin. It has multiple benefits, and It's like one of my holy grail products to clear up my skin. So I highly recommend you try this to, get rid of your acne marks. And while you're clearing up your skin, you can always use some makeup to hide your acne marks. So yes, that was my video on how I cover up my acne marks using makeup and how I deal with my acne marks in the long run using skincare products. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also, do let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like me to make. I would love to make more videos for you guys. And also, if you want to see a tutorial on how I achieve this eye makeup look, then I'm gonna post it on Instagram pretty soon. So make sure you're following me there. The direct link to my Instagram handle will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.